Finally, let's look at how we can create an innovation culture within organizations. But first of all, what is the definition of innovation? Innovation is the process of creating and implementing new ideas or improving existing ones to drive positive change. Innovation can take many forms, from technological advancements to new business models or social movements. Innovation is important because it is essential for progress and growth, both in the economy and in society as a whole. It enables us to solve problems, create new opportunities, and improve our quality of life. In business, innovation is the linchpin that drives an increase in productivity of individuals, processes, and business models. Simply put, innovation presents new ideas to business leaders to increase efficiency with minimum resources, furthermore reducing business and other risks. Personally, innovation leads to personal growth and fulfillment. As a lifelong learner, you will be more in demand on the jobs market. Innovation is difficult to achieve because of the fear of the unknown, fear of failure, fear of risk-taking. We can challenge these fears through empathy, human-centered design, and through an iterative process where we research, prototype, test, and iterate. Design thinking requires us to pursue empathy-driven insights. It forces us away from traditional knowledge and conventional solutions. When we do this, we prioritize understanding users' needs and therefore are better equipped to design meaningful solutions. Design thinking elevates emotional value propositions, wherein emotional value propositions are a promise of a feeling. In business, they strategically serve to positively influence users' experiences and meet their needs. Design thinking can flourish in business environments when it becomes embedded within the organizational culture of a business. Businesses have to dynamically balance between several fundamental tensions in innovation processes and demonstrate agility in dealing with innovation dilemmas. For example, linear vs. non-linear organizational cultures, short-term vs. long-term objectives, profit versus user needs. At the individual level, design thinking is a mindset. At the business level, it needs to be gradually embedded as organizational culture to be successful in managing and promoting innovation. Let's consolidate the key takeaways from Lecture 10, Creating an Innovation Culture. Today, the importance of innovation is immense, but innovation is not easy to achieve. Fear of the unknown, fear of failure, and fear of risk-taking can impede efforts to implement design thinking as a mindset and as an organizational culture at the business level. The human-centered approach in design thinking helps us to break away from traditional thinking by incorporating emotional and aesthetic values. This shift creates challenges and tensions that we must strive to dynamically balance, e.g. linear vs. non-linear, short-term vs. long-term, profit versus user needs, etc. The more embedded design thinking becomes in organizational cultures, the more likely it is to succeed in producing innovation. Why does an innovation culture matter to you? Driving progress. Innovation is the driving force behind progress in all fields. Whether it's creating new technologies, improving healthcare, or addressing social issues, fostering innovation culture is essential for finding solutions to complex problems. Here's how it can relate to you. 1. Employability. As you prepare to enter the job market, having experience in an innovation-driven environment can make you a highly desirable candidate. Employers value individuals who can think creatively and adapt to changing circumstances. 2. Entrepreneurship. If you have ambitions to start your own business, an innovation culture is fundamental. It encourages you to identify gaps in the market and develop novel solutions. 3. Personal growth. Embracing innovation culture not only benefits your career, but also your personal growth. It enhances your problem-solving abilities, critical thinking, and adaptability. So ultimately, what is design thinking? Design thinking is a flexible, user-centric approach to problem-solving that can lead to innovation. It is a systematic yet non-linear approach that is biased towards action. It is human-centered and seeks to harness empathy and user needs and transform them into innovative solutions. The 5 phases of design thinking. Empathize, define, Ideate, prototype, test. Encourage innovation, leverage collective expertise, and elevate user needs. It is a mindset, it is an ideology, and it can embed itself as organizational culture. Through design thinking, we can approach problem solving in a way that increases the probability of success and breakthrough innovation. Good luck in becoming our future design thinkers and ideators.